Simple CRUD operation against MongoDB using Robomongo client software. These are the simple steps we'll be seeing in this exercise. To start with, we'll be connecting using Robomongo to the Mongo server. Then we'll be creating a database. And in the third step, we'll be creating a collection under that database. This is the Robomongo interface. On clicking this, you'll be prompted for MongoDB connections. I have a saved connection, so it is getting listed here. In your case, you just need to click create and you can provide the name you like in the name field. For example, MongoDB local. These two values get auto-populated. That will be the localhost and 27017. This is the default port of MongoDB. Let me test with that. So connection is successful. Authorization is skipped, that we know. Then on clicking save, it gets saved. And on double clicking this one or clicking connect in the bottom, it will connect to the MongoDB server. In the left side, you can see all the databases in the server getting listed. Our first step is to create a database. So we are going to do this, create database. Then we are going to give a database name. db underscore CRUD demo is the name. So I got the database here. Initially there won't be any collections, that you know, because we haven't created a collection. To create a collection under this database, right click on the collection folder like icon here and click create collection. Let it be a demo CRUD collection. Now we got an empty collection without any documents under that. On double clicking this collection, it will open a shell prompt for this collection. We are not going to use that, as we are going to see only the simplest things initially. Now back to our listing. We have connected to server, we created a database, we have done creating a collection under the database. Now to the crucial ones, that is create a document, read a document, update a document, and delete document. We know that a document has a JSON structure. To create a document under this collection, right click over here, click insert document. So we got the opening and closing braces of JSON. Now we need to put some JSON content under this. I'm going to take the personal details JSON content from Wikipedia. This describes a person, so I'm going to copy this. After copying the content, I'm going to paste it here. So there is no need of an extra brace. On clicking validate, it will show whether the document is valid or invalid. For example, if I delete this one, it must show it is invalid. Yes, as we expected, it is showing that this JSON is invalid. Let me introduce that again. It's valid. On clicking save, we are going to successfully insert our first document in Mongo database. Now to view the documents, right click here on the collection, click view documents. We got the document. To see it in JSON view or in tree view, you can click here. I'm going to see that in table view first. This is the table view, and then in JSON view. This is the document we have inserted. It has automatically added the ID element to the document, because every document has to have a unique ID key. Either it will be auto-generated by MongoDB if you are not providing, or you have to provide a unique document identifier over here. Next step is to create one more document, but with a different structure. That is the beauty of MongoDB. I'm going to paste it again. I'm going to remove the address and phone number fields completely, and even the children and spouse fields. I'm going to totally add a new field, PAN card number. This is the income tax number in India, and similarly I'll be adding EID number, which is Emirates ID number for United Arab Emirates. Unable to pass. That's because I hope I have an extra brace. Now the JSON is valid, and on saving, I'm saving my second document to the collection. Right click and clicking view documents. I got two documents. In table view it will be very clear, so two documents are there, and in JSON view you can see the real JSON content. So now we have successfully created a collection. Under that collection we have inserted two different documents with totally different structure. That's why MongoDB is a NoSQL database. We have done with insert and view documents. Now next in our list is update, delete. Let's do that. To do update, I'm going to shift this to the tree view. Right click on the document, edit document is there. On clicking that, the document is shown. Now I wish to add a spouse and children. Kate, and the children are Johnson. Andrea. So we have altered the contents of the JSON now. On clicking valid, the JSON is valid. Now on saving, we must see the changes reflected here, or you can go to the JSON view to see the same. So these are the contents we added to the existing JSON. This is how update works. We haven't done through the query, we have done through the GUI using the table view, the tree view, and then we have right clicked there and did a edit. Now next, to delete the document, that's very easy. You can always use the delete document in the menu here. So let me delete the document. On clicking yes, it's going to delete the document. Let me execute to find the, let me right click on the collection to view the documents. So only one document we have, the other one we have deleted. So with this we have seen about update and delete document. The next in our list is copy collection, copy document, export collection, drop collection, drop database, and disconnect from the server. We don't have export collection in Robomongo. We have to do that through command line. I don't want to do that now. So let me do the copy collection and then the copy document. Copy collection is very easy. Right click over here and clicking duplicate collection, it's going to create a copy. So we got a copy collection. That's very easy here. The next one is copy document. That's very easy. Right click on the document, click copy JSON, and then right click here, insert document, paste the JSON, just change the ID. I'll make it as 99, and then on clicking save, it must save the document. So we got two documents now. Next is export collection. As I said earlier, we don't have export collection. Now to drop the collection, drop the database and disconnect from the server. That's very easy. To drop this, I just need to right click, drop collection, done. Then to drop the database, right click, drop the database. Done. Database is gone. These are old windows. Even if you execute this, you won't get anything because the database is non-existent as well as the collection. Now to disconnect, right click on the icon here, disconnect. That's it. We have done all the things in the list